lovies, how are you guys? Welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dida. If you're a returning, welcome again to the channel. Yo guys, so today we are going to learn on how to tie this simple all-time hijab. Yeah, it's simple. As you can see, it's a simple design but amazing. Yani ina pop ile mbaya yani unajifunga, unatembea, uko confidence of yourself venye unatembea, hata ukiwa unafanya kazi, hata ukiwa ni pale yoyote, ukiwa unaenda harusini, ukiwa unaenda shereheni. Yeah, you are all time. So guys, the materials that I'll be using today are the one, it's chiffon scarf, yeah, pure chiffon. The second hijab I'll be using is cotton stretcher, but it's a stretcher cotton. Yeah, and also pleated chiffon, my favorite. Okay guys, so guys, without any further ado, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos. Okay guys, I love you so much. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. See you another day. Asanteni sana. Msisahau kusubscribe, like and kushare hiyo video. Nawashukuru sana. Mob love, nawapenda tu sana sana sana. Thank you guys. See you next time. Ciao.